Hello friends, here we are again in the kitchen to try a new experiment. We're going to try to grow a lettuce from another one we already have. Okay, this experiment is also ideal for kids, to do it with your kids, with your children. You can do it in your kitchen at home. You don't need a terrace or anything like that. I've bought this lettuce in a supermarket and I'll try to sprout it. Let's see how we can do that. We're going to take out the first leaves, the ones from the outside. We can eat them if we want. Just for the experiment, we'll take them out. And now we're going to cut it a couple of fingers from the base we already have, like this. Okay, we already have the base for the letters. If you look here, we have small sprouts, but okay, what we're going to do now is put it in this vase we have right here with some water to cover half of the letters, so not much water, and it's ready. Now we would have to wait, and for that we're going to put it close to the window where it can get some light. Over here we are putting the date to see how long it takes. It's May 19th, 2013, and we're going to wait a few days to see what happens. Okay, pay attention. If water evaporates due to heat or whatever, put water again. Okay, 15 days have gone by now, and we put the water on May 19th, and it's June 3rd. And we can see that the lettuce has begun to sprout. We can see the sprout over here, and it's got some root already. Okay, closer to the camera now. Can you see the little roots? It's got a little sprout here, more on top. Okay, we are going to plant this now, and before doing that, we're going to take out these leaves that is useless. So we get rid of them. We don't want them here. It could damage the growth. Okay, but careful with the new sprouts. Okay, and we could plant this already. To begin with, we're going to fill the pot with some peat moss and humus, so the plant's got nutrients. I already have the mix here, so I'm filling the pot maybe, well, to the top. Okay, and then we make a small hole like this. Do not push too much or anything. So with a little hole, we're going to put the lettuce in there. Careful with the roots. We don't want to damage them. Okay, they are here, and we have the different lettuce sprouts. We're going to put it maybe a couple of fingers in, a couple of centimeters, close to an inch. Some sprout will get damage, but okay, this large one over here is the important one, and well, some others. Press hard. We have a little hole. Okay, now press around the plant. Okay, we leave the biggest sprout out. We're gonna have a good lettuce there, we hope, and another sprout over here. I don't know if you can really see it. There's another one and another one below that one. To conclude this, we're going to water it very well so the plant doesn't get stressed out due to the transplant and lack of water. So with a watering can we made before, you have the link up there. Okay, we're going to water it well this first time. Okay, a lot of water. We are using our natural rooting mix that I taught you in another video. Okay, it should not be exposed to the sun in the first days until it's stronger, okay? So leave it in a place where it gets some light and clarity, especially in the summer, which is what's happening here right now. This is what I wanted to show you, an experiment to grow a lettuce at home. It's so easy. You can do it yourself, you can do it with your children, and you're always going to have lettuce at home to eat it. You can see it sprout, grow. It's going to be great to see it if it comes out, the sprout, if the root grows. I love that. And I recommend this to everyone to do so. So, well, do it at home. You will let me know how it works out, if it worked for you, if it didn't. Sometimes, well, it doesn't, and we have to repeat the process or they may go bad. Okay, don't suffer too much because of that. That happens. If you like the video, okay, like it, and leave any comments you would like to share it with your friends or with whomever, so everyone can enjoy this kind of experiment. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. See you later.